Hello students, Standard 8, Mensuration, chapter number 11. In that chapter we saw the surface areas of the cubes, cuboids and cylinders. We saw the total surface area, lateral surface area, and how to find the cost of painting, etc. Now in last session at the end, we wrote down what is the volume and what are the formulas to find the volumes of cube and cuboid. We know that a cuboid has three dimensions that are length, breadth and height. So volume of the cuboid is given by the formula L multiplied by B multiplied by H. That is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. And as cube is the special cuboid because it has same length, breadth and height. So in place of B and H also we use L. So we get the formula of finding volume of a cube is L multiplied by L multiplied by L. Now on the basis of that, let us do some examples that are given in the try this. Find volume. Find volume of the following cuboids. The first one cuboid is in the figure. I am not drawing the figure, but the dimensions, that length L is given as 8 centimeter, breadth B is 3 centimeter, and you can see the thickness, that is the height H is given 2 centimeter. Now it is very simple to find the volume. So volume of cuboid is given by the formula L multiplied by B multiplied by H. That is 8 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter. So 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48. So 48 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the first cuboid. Let's do the second one. In second one, you can see that area of the base is given. That shaded part is the area. So area of the base is given and height H is given. 3 centimeter. Now here you know that area of the base is L multiplied by B and then multiplied by H. So we get another formula also that you have to remember, that volume of cuboid is equal to area of base multiplied by height. There is also a formula. So you can add this formula in your mind, that volume of cuboid is equal to area of base multiplied by height. So 24 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter. 24 3s are 72. So the volume of that cuboid is 72 centimeter cube. Similarly, there is another try this also on the opposite page, which is related to the cubes. Find the volume of the following cubes. Find the volume of the following cubes. In first, side is given with a side 4 centimeter. So here L is 4 centimeter. Now if length is given, side is given, what is the formula to find the volume? The volume will be volume of cube is equal to L cube, that is 4 centimeter cube. What is the cube of 4? 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So 4 cube is 64. So 64 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the given cube. In second, what is given? With a side 1.5 meter. With a side 1.5 meter. So L is 1.5 meter. So volume of cube is equal to L cube. That is 1.5 meter whole cube. So now we have to do 15 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 15, and then we will put the decimal. 15 square is 225. So 225 multiplied by 15. So that is 375. So one decimal, but in cube there will be 3 decimals. So 3.375 meter cube. So here unit is also very important, as I told you. Here the side is given in centimeters, so the volume is given the unit centimeter cube. Here it was meter, so meter cube, same in the cuboid also. So whenever we find area or volume, there should be particular units must be there. Now we are going to find the formula of finding volume of a cylinder. You know that cylinder has a curved surface and 2 circular flat surfaces. The top and bottom are the identical circular surfaces. Now in the beginning, when we find out the volume of the cuboid, we introduce a formula. What is the formula for that? The volume of a cuboid is equal to area of base multiplied by height. Now the same criteria we can use to find the formula of volume for a cylinder. We know that cylinder has a circular base, means there is a circle at the base. If the radius of the circle is r, then we know that the formula to find the area of circle is pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle and the height is h. So using the same formula, volume of cylinder is equal to area of base multiplied by height. So area of circle base is pi r square and height is h. So we write down volume of cylinder is pi r square multiplied by h. So we get the final formula. When the radius and height are given, we can use the formula volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. And sometimes if the base area of the base is given, then we can directly use the formula area of base multiplied by height. Let's try this based on this formula. In try this, given, find the volume of the following cylinders. Find the volume of the following cylinders. In first one, cylinder is given like this, whose that one given 7 centimeter. That is the radius and height is 10 centimeter. So here radius r is 7 centimeter and height h is 10 centimeter. Here the cylinder is down on the vertically, horizontally, therefore the length is taken as height. So now volume of cylinder, we have the formula, that is pi r square h. The value of pi, if it is not given, you have to take as 22 by 7. R square is 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 10. 7 cancel. 22 sevens are 154 multiplied by 10. 1540 centimeter cube. Second one. In second cylinder, the shaded part base, its area is given 250 meters square and the height is given 2 meter. So here we can use this formula. Volume of cylinder is equal to area of base multiplied by height. So here area of base is given as 250 meters square and height is given as 2 meter. Therefore, volume of cylinder is equal to area of base multiplied by height. There is 250 multiplied by 2. That is 500 meter cube. So according to the given information, we have to find out the volume if the radius and height are given, we have to use the formula pi r square h. And if the base area means area of the base is given, we can use the formula volume of cylinder is area of base multiplied by height. So now we learn about the three solid shapes. Volume of three solid shape. Now we know that volume of, in each case you can use the same formula also. Which formula? That volume is equal to area of the base multiplied by height. So when the base area is given either in the cube or in the cuboid or in the cylinder, when the area of the base is given and the height is given, you can use the same formula for all of them. That volume is equal to base of area multiplied by height. And if the dimensions are given, means for the cuboid, length and breadth and height all are given, then you use the formula volume of cuboid is equal to L multiplied by B multiplied by H. And for the cube, it is same length, breadth and height. So we put L multiplied by L multiplied by L, or L cube. And also for the volume of the cylinder, if the radius of the base R is given, base or top same, and the height is given, then we can use the formula volume of cylinder is pi r square h. And the main important thing to remember is, don't forget to write down the final answer along with the unit. Means all the dimensions are given in centimeter, then the volume will be in the centimeter cube, and so on. So here we are going to finish the session. Will be followed by PDF. And as I told you, please remember all the formulas, because this is a formula based chapter. If you don't have formula in your mind, in the examination I am not going to give you the formula. So if the only this thing will be given, that radius and height, and if you don't know the formula, it is impossible to do that. So please keep the formulas in your mind. Thank you very much.